Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you a brand new trade we just got in. It's a 2014 Pathfinder. Let's look at some of the features. It's got the blade power pole in the back. It's got the Atlas jack plate and powered by the Yamaha 150 fuel injection. Plenty of power for this boat. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the Pathfinder. Let's look at some of the features. It's got 2 flip-down seats, so if you're going for a ride, nice comfortable seating. 2 nice-sized live wells in the back as well. Storage behind the helm seat. Comfortable 2-person helm seat as well. The helm is set up with the switches conveniently all located right here. Nice Lowrance on there as well. Then as we move to the bow, it's got fish boxes, rod storage, full boat cover right here, which is very, very nice. It's cooler seat. You get a little storage in here for fish tackle boxes. And finally, we got the power pole on the front. It's a Minn Kota, really nice power pole. Boat is set up perfectly for fishing. Good backwater boat, does anything you want there. And if you've got any questions or would like to come see it, please give me a call at 603-213-1194. And if you'd like to see any more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.